Hi students, this is Mrs. Thuringer again, and I am going to show you how to complete lesson 3.03 in your business keyboarding class. So the first thing you need to do is pull up your getting to know worksheet. So you have to follow the instructions in there. So you pull it down and it is in a Word file. As you can see, it will open up. And we're not going to enable the editing because we actually aren't going to be editing it. We are just going to be using it for directions. So I'm going to just make this a half page so you can see me follow the directions on there. So I'm also going to open up a blank, a new file, a blank document. So now I'm opening up this blank document because I want them side by side. I am just opening them up like this so I can have them both side by side. So the first thing I have to do is log on to Office Online so you have your Word up. Select a blank document, which is what I did. Now I'm going to choose a topic. Choose one of the following topics. My favorite activity outside of school, my favorite sport or sports team, or my 10-year plan. Okay, so you're going to type 3 to 5 sentence paragraph into your blank Word document. So I'm just going to type about my favorite sport or sports team. So I'm going to, so now in this part it tells you to retype your paragraph in a minute. So first of all, I'm going to say my favorite sport. My favorite sport to watch, especially in person, is soccer. Okay? And I like this sport because my son plays competitive soccer. It is very exciting to watch. So I literally have 3 sentences there. So because I'm just showing you how to do this, I'm going to leave it at that. So then it says retype your paragraph in the same document. So I'm supposed to retype my paragraph. My favorite sport. My favorite sport to watch, especially in person, is soccer. I like this sport because my son plays competitive soccer. It is very exciting to watch. Okay, so I typed it again. So for the second paragraph, I'm going to use these features. So remember that you're formatting your document may make it easier to read, help it to stand out, and make it appealing to your audience. So you're going to change the font type to Calibri body and font size to 11 to change the style and size of your paragraph text. So I'm going to take this, highlight it all, oops, it was already on that. Okay, so it's already on that, and it's already on 11. Okay, so it's already on that. All right, so now I'm going to change the font color of an important word or phrase to red. So I'm going to highlight soccer. As soon as I can get it, highlight soccer, and I'm going to change it to red. There it is, font color red. And and I right clicked on that to get that information. Then I underline the title. Here's the title. And I am going to underline it. So I'm going to use this underline key, or I could have right clicked on it like I did before and just use that. Okay. I can bold 3 important words. Bold 3 important words. Favorite sport, I'm going to bold. And watch, I'm going to bold. Then it says highlight an important sentence or phrase. So I'm going to highlight this, trying to highlight just this sentence. And I'm going to use that highlight button. Because I have already been doing this, it automatically is sensing that I'm going to do this, so that's why it's bringing up and right clicking without me even having to right click. You can easily go up here and do it also. Then it says, using horizontal alignment, center your paragraph on the document. So using horizontal alignment, so your alignment is here. If you click on that paragraph button, it opens here. And you're going to use horizontal and center. And there is my paragraph. So I have just centered it horizontally on my paragraph. So to make sure that I have this all correct, I'm going to go back to the lesson where it tells me about horizontal alignment. So it literally shows you right here, text alignment, align left, align center, align right, justify. So that's how you do your alignment. So that's exactly what we did. So let's go back to our Word documents and let's make sure we have all the directions done. So we have our change the font type, change the font color of an important word, underline our title, bold 3 important words, and we're using the horizontal alignment, and we're centering our paragraph on the document. So it asks you to retype your paragraph in the same document. So there it is. You're not putting it on the directions part. You're putting it in a separate document. Now I need to save my file, and I'm going to save it as, and I'm going to find my keyboarding folder. And I'm going to save it as 3.03, and I'm going to hit save. And now this is the file that I will do. I don't even need this worksheet anymore. Haven't saved it. Don't need to save it. Now I go over here to my assessments area and I find 3.03. And I click on this whoops, 3.03. So you need to add the file down here. And remember that I put it in my folder here, in my keyboarding folder. And there is my 3.03. I hit open. It attaches it there. I hit submit for grading and then I can click on it. So of course I'm not really submitting it for myself to grade, so I'm just going to save that for later. I hope that this helps you successfully complete the assignment.